How to add business location on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the business location on Instagram. Start by opening your Instagram application. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Instagram. So after opening the Instagram, log into your account. So one thing that you should take care of is your account must not be a private account. To turn it off from private account and switch it to the professional account, you can simply scroll down, tap on the account privacy. Since my account is not private, if you turn it on, it will be turned to private account. If you turn it off, then it won't be private anymore. So it is not private, it is public. After turning it to public, scroll down and now you need to tap on the account where you need to change it to the professional account. So we are searching for the option of account status. So since my account is already professional, so it won't show in mine, but if your account is private account, then the option of change your account to professional account will be shown in your Instagram. So after you change your account to professional account, you need to tap on the edit profile option. And now you will see an option like this. Now you will see the option of contact option. Tap on that. Here you will see the option of business phone number, business email address, and also business address. Tap on the business address, tap your postal code, town, city address, and then you are done. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.